Hey there, in this quick video, we'll show you how easy it is to add a new talent in Senegal Work. Senegal Work gives you 2 easy ways to add talent. Method 1. Add manually through the Create Talent form, perfect when you're adding just 1 or 2 profiles. Method 2. Import a CSV file, the faster option if you're uploading multiple talents at once. Let's take a closer look at both methods. Let's walk through how you can add a new talent in Senegal Work using the Create Talent option. From your Senegal dashboard, choose the Work option, and then navigate to Talent. Once you're there, click on Add Talent, and then select Create. A form will appear on your screen. Here, you'll enter the basic information, like the first and last name of your talent, along with their date of birth and residential address. Next, add the mobile number. You can also include a secondary number if they have one. Then, choose the city, state, and country. For example, Joey here is from New York. Add the email address and any other details that apply. Remember, any field marked with a star is mandatory when creating a new talent. The rest of the information can be filled in later, as needed. The password you set here will be automatically shared with the talent so they can log into their own dashboard. Once everything looks good, tap Save to update the record, and that's it. Your new talent has now been added successfully. You can always go back later to add more information like their biography, education, experience, or even a background check. Finally, tap the Talent button again, and you'll see your newly added talent appear in the list. This method is perfect when you only need to add a few talents manually, quick, simple, and efficient.
Hi, I'm Ralph, and I'll take you through the second method for adding talent in Senegal Work. This method is perfect for recruiters who have a large number of talents to upload and find the first method a bit time-consuming. To get started, go to the Talent section and choose Import from the Add Talent menu. On the new page, click Download Template. This will give you a CSV file containing all the required fields to add a talent. I've already prepared a CSV file, so let's go ahead and upload it using the Select CSV button. Once the file is uploaded, select Start Import. You'll now see a new page showing all the information you added. Review the details carefully and make sure everything aligns with your system data. I'll cover how to update your system settings in the next video, so stay tuned for that. After reviewing, tap Finalize Import, and your talents will be successfully added to the list. You can always go back later to edit or update any details whenever needed. And that's how you import multiple talents in one go, quick, accurate, and efficient.
Thank you for watching today's video. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on how to make the most of Senegal Work. See you next time.